Do you ever feel frustrated with your skin? You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Breakouts, dryness, oiliness, we've all been there. These common skin issues can be really disheartening. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the countless skincare products and trends out there. With so many options, how do you know what's right for you? But achieving healthy, radiant skin doesn't have to be a mystery. It can actually be a joyful and rewarding process. The truth is, beautiful skin starts with a holistic approach. It's about taking care of your entire self. It's about more than just the products you put on your face. It's about creating a routine that works for you. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and adopting healthy habits. Hydration, nutrition, and relaxation all play a part. This step-by-step guide will empower you to take control of your skincare journey. You'll learn how to make informed choices. We'll break down the essential steps and provide practical tips to help you achieve the clear, glowing complexion you've always wanted. From cleansing to moisturizing, we've got you covered. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. What works wonders for one person might not be the best for another. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what suits your skin's needs. So listen to your skin, be patient, and enjoy the journey to discovering what makes your skin happy. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress. Achieving radiant skin goes beyond topical creams and serums. While these products can help, they are only part of the equation. It begins with a holistic approach that considers your overall well-being. This means integrating practices that nurture both your body and mind. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health, so nourishing your body from within is crucial. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water daily is essential for maintaining that healthy glow. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin plump and hydrated. It also aids in maintaining the elasticity of your skin. Aim for 8 glasses a day for optimal skin health. Consistency is key, so make it a habit to stay hydrated. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients that contribute to a healthy complexion. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that your skin craves. Incorporate foods high in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens to protect your skin from damage. Antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can cause premature aging. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to breakouts and inflammation. It's important to recognize the impact of stress on your overall skin health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help you maintain a calm and balanced state of mind. Prioritizing your mental well-being is just as important as your skincare routine. Remember, a happy mind contributes to happy skin. Cleansing is the foundation of any good skincare routine. It removes dirt, oil, pollution, and makeup that accumulate on your skin throughout the day, preventing clogged pores and breakouts. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Avoid harsh soaps that can strip away your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Wet your face with lukewarm water and massage a small amount of cleanser onto your skin using gentle circular motions. Avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can damage your skin's protective barrier. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing your skin, as this can cause irritation. Cleansing twice a day, morning and night, is generally sufficient for most skin types. Moisturizing is essential for maintaining your skin's hydration levels and keeping it soft, supple, and healthy. It helps to replenish moisture lost throughout the day and strengthens your skin's protective barrier. Choosing the right moisturizer for your skin type is crucial. If you have dry skin, look for rich creams or ointments that provide intense hydration. Oily skin types may benefit from lightweight, oil-free lotions or gels. Apply moisturizer to clean, dry skin after cleansing and toning. Use gentle upward strokes to distribute the product evenly. Don't forget your neck and décolletage. Moisturizing twice a day, morning and night, helps to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. You may need to adjust the frequency based on your skin's needs and the climate you live in. Section 5. Sun protection. Your skin's best friend. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is crucial for preventing premature aging, sunburns, and skin cancer. Sun damage is a major contributor to wrinkles, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and other skin concerns. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day. even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate clouds and damage your skin, even when the sun isn't visible. Apply sunscreen generously to all exposed skin 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if swimming or sweating. Don't forget often neglected areas like your ears, neck, hands, and feet. These areas are also susceptible to sun damage. Seek shade, especially during peak sun hours, to minimize UV exposure. Section 6. Exfoliation. Reveal your natural radiance. Exfoliation involves removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, revealing brighter, smoother, and healthier-looking skin. It can help to unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and improve the absorption of skincare products. There are two main types of exfoliation: chemical and physical. Chemical exfoliants use acids or enzymes to dissolve the bonds holding dead skin cells together. Physical exfoliants use scrubs or brushes to physically remove them. Choose an exfoliation method that suits your skin type and sensitivity. If you have sensitive skin, opt for gentle chemical exfoliants or a soft washcloth. Avoid harsh scrubs that can irritate your skin. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin's tolerance. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin's protective barrier, leading to dryness, irritation, and breakouts. Section 7. Nourishing your skin from the inside out. The food you eat plays a vital role in the health and appearance of your skin. It's not just about what you apply on the outside. What you consume internally can have a profound impact on your skin's vitality and glow. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients that support skin cell regeneration, collagen production, and overall skin health. These nutrients work together to keep your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts help protect your skin from free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. These antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, ensuring your skin remains youthful and vibrant. Healthy fats found in avocados, fatty fish, and nuts provide essential fatty acids that keep your skin hydrated and supple. These fats are crucial for maintaining the skin's lipid barrier, which locks in moisture and keeps irritants out. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining skin hydration and flushing out toxins. Proper hydration helps your skin stay plump, smooth, and clear, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aim for 8 glasses a day to keep your skin looking plump and radiant. Consistent hydration is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to enhance your skin's natural beauty. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, as these can contribute to inflammation and skin problems. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods can make a significant difference in your skin's clarity and overall health. Section 8. Nature's remedies for common skin concerns. Nature offers a wealth of remedies for common skin concerns. These natural ingredients have been used for centuries to soothe, heal, and enhance the skin's natural beauty. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its soothing and healing properties. It can help to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and promote wound healing, making it an excellent natural remedy for sunburns, acne, and other skin irritations. Tea tree oil is a powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent that can help to fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce blemishes. It's often found in skincare products formulated for acne-prone skin. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. It also possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile ingredient for soothing dry, irritated skin and promoting wound healing. Section 9. Sustainable skincare. Good for you, good for the planet. Sustainable skincare is about making conscious choices that are good for both your skin and the environment. It involves reducing waste, choosing eco-friendly packaging, and supporting brands committed to ethical and sustainable practices. Look for products with minimal packaging or packaging made from recycled materials. Choose brands that prioritize sustainable sourcing of ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals that can harm the environment. Support brands that give back to the community or support environmental causes. By making conscious choices, you can minimize your environmental impact while still achieving healthy, radiant skin. Reduce water waste by taking shorter showers and turning off the tap while brushing your teeth. These small changes can make a big difference in conserving water. Section 10. Your journey to radiant skin starts today. Remember, achieving healthy, radiant skin is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, and what works for one person may not work for another. The key is to be patient, consistent, and listen to your skin's needs. Embrace a holistic approach to skincare by nourishing your body from within, managing stress, and adopting healthy habits. Choose skincare products that are right for your skin type and concerns, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find a routine that works for you. Celebrate small victories along the way, and remember that progress takes time. With patience, consistency, and a little self-love, you can achieve the clear, glowing complexion you've always wanted. Your journey to radiant skin starts today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more natural and homemade beauty tips.